Hey everybody, it's Rob Nazarian with TalkAndroid, and we have the Moto 360, and I want to show you how to customize the watch faces. Now I'm talking about the watch faces that come pre-installed on the watch they're designed by Motorola. They have the Moto logo on them, and I showed you all the watch faces in the previous video, but just want to show you they've given you the ability to customize them. So this will only customize those. Any third-party watch faces that you might get, they'll have their own customizing features if the developer provides them. So you want to use the Motorola Connect app, and I'm not sure if this is actually going to be available for all Android devices just yet. It got updated yesterday, and they said it was, but generally this app is only good for Moto X devices, but they say it's going to be opened up, but hopefully that is the case. And so when you go in, you right away will see your watch that you've already have set up, so you can go ahead and tap on that. Now, just a couple of other things other than the watch faces, you can also set up your wellness profile, and you can set up your height, weight, which I haven't set up yet, your gender, your birth date, and this will be for the help with achieving goals for the pedometer and the heart rate sensor, and then also where you're last seeing the watch face, so in case you misplace it, where was it? But we're here to talk about watch faces, and they have all the watch faces, all 6 watch faces here, in the same order as they are in the watch. So right now I have this watch face currently on the watch, so we'll go ahead and choose that. And you can see for all the watch faces, you can pretty much, there's a couple of other options with each one, but the bottom line is you get the background choice of white or black, and then the accent. And the accent is generally the second hand, but there might be another little area as well. So right now I'm going to switch this to white, and then maybe switch that, and then once you're set, you just tap on update, and once that, and then it changes it right there, and it's done. Now, each one, like for example, there's a little description about it. It says minimal, clean, simple, analog face, and it says features a small notification P card. That's that card there at the bottom. Some of them are larger, some of them are smaller. And we'll go back in. I'm going to actually just bring that right back to where it was. There's no default, cleared defaults or whatever, but you know, not that's a huge deal, but I'm surprised that isn't in there. So that brings it right back. Now I won't necessarily change each one on the watch. You see how that works. Here's this one here, and this is a world clock. So you've got your background that you can change, and again your accent, and that changes the second hand, and I think an area up top. Yeah, it's a little area up there. And then over here you can actually change your world clock, so you can tap on this and give it a different area, and the same thing on the right side. Right now the defaults are San Francisco and London. So we're going to hit cancel right now, and then so you go in each one here and you can make your choices. It's pretty simple and straightforward. This one here you can go at Roman numerals or numbers, so and then of course the black and white, and then changing the accents, so each one is different. So that's the classic, and again it tells you, features the date, the calendar ring, and upcoming events, and 10-minute event countdown timer. And then you go to the next one here, and this is called rotate, and again it tells you features large notification P cards. So you go in here and you've got your black and white, and then your colors here. That's a pretty simple, straightforward one. Here's a digital one here. This one gives you some different colors here for the accent. The first number is actually the accent here, so you can switch it this way, or a little bit rainbow type of color. Bring it back, go to white, do what you want there. And then this is the last one, and again pretty straightforward there. Not much to really change. That's called retrograde. So, and that card also has large P cards. Most of them are small P cards, because it doesn't hide your watch face. So that's pretty cool when you first light it up. So that's it. That's using Motorola Connect on customizing your watch faces. I hope this helps. Hopefully they'll install more watch faces in future updates, and then this will of course show those as well, and you'll be able to do even more customization. Hopefully they'll even add in the minute and hour hands would be nice as well, and maybe even customizing the colors of the numbers and all kinds of things. I'm sure they'll do a lot more updating as time progresses. So thanks for watching. This is Rob Nazarian with TalkAndroid.